You are listening to the Medical Marijuana Podcast. We are the go-to medical marijuana portal. Learn more by going to www.medicalmarijuana.com. Today's topic is, what are marijuana stocks, and why are people investing in them? Investing in your future is always a smart idea. Many people choose to invest their hard-earned money into the stock market. The idea is that by investing in the stock market, you should be able to sell off property or land to others at a higher price than you would normally pay, or have it put in your family members' names so that they are not without after your passing. While discussing this can seem crass, it is actually a way that people can ensure that their loved ones will be cared for appropriately. We will discuss buying marijuana stocks and why people are choosing to invest in this controversial substance. Many pharmaceutical companies that currently manufacture medical marijuana have been selling stocks to consumers. The consumers who have chosen to purchase the stocks are those who believe that marijuana will be legalized, and they are in hopes of making a great amount of money on the return on their initial investment. Many have jumped on the bandwagon, but these stocks are thought by experts to fail. However, there are some bigger name brands that are expected to do well. Scotts Miracle-Gro is a big-name company that has been jumping into the marijuana stock business. Believe it or not, they have been creating various products for cannabis growers, such as pesticides. Should marijuana be legalized, Scotts stocks are most likely going to soar. Other companies who are considered safer to invest in are those who manufacture pharmaceuticals. When it comes to investing in any stock, there are certain fundamentals that you should follow in order to be successful. When you purchase stock, you are in essence purchasing an aspect of a company. If you choose to invest in the company and buy their stock, you want to make sure that the business is functioning well and has a bright future ahead of them. If you are unsure if a company is solid, you should avoid purchasing their stock unless you don't mind taking a risk. It is unknown whether or not cannabis will be legalized to the point of being able to use it recreationally in the form of cigarettes or other ways. Right now, the federal government is determining the legalization of marijuana for recreational use. At this point in time, it appears that marijuana is going to be a Schedule I substance for a period of time, which can create disadvantages, such as no tax deductions for corporations. If you want to invest in marijuana and are not interested in taking a huge risk, then it is best to invest in the medical marijuana industry, as this is less likely to have trouble with government laws. If you have money to spend on investments, it just might be wise to put your money into other stocks that have less risk. Then again, the risk is part of the fun when getting a big return on your investment. Thank you for listening to the Medical Marijuana Podcast. Learn more by going to www.medicalmarijuana.com.